2008 Honda Accord V6. This is what it sounds like before. Got a nice tone to it, but it's too quiet. Here's sound decibels on it. Right at 98. So what we're doing, boys, zoom pipes or boom pipes, whatever you guys want to call them. It's going to stick out like that, guys. So stay tuned. 2008 Honda Accord, 4-door, lowered. Usually it's like not even an inch off the ground. I made him raise it. So we're able to get it on the lift. So he raised it a little bit. He didn't raise the back. That's how he usually looks. You see on the back, guys, how low it is? It's got a really nice stance to it. Let me show you what we did on it, guys. Well, good old Snootah's trying to bend some pipe. Anyways, converter there. Factory converter there. We did a resonator delete. That was right here. Usually it's here, but the pipe was all messed up here. He had a cutout and it was dragging on the ground and all that. So we took it all off, cleaned it up for him, put him 2 new hangers. Then another baby resonator goes here. We took it off also and put a pipe in its place. Then we did also a muffler delete there and there, as you guys can see. And then we put tips, 3.5 inch by 18 angle cut stainless steel tips out the back. He wanted them to stick out. We said, we got you. So we hooked them up. That looks good. I like it. So there's all the stuff we cut off. There's the 2 mufflers. There's the resonator. There's the mid pipe. And that's the cutout that was on it. And there's the other miniature resonator that was on it. Took a lot of weight off of it. So we're going to let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. What do you think? Loud enough? You don't believe it. It's getting louder too. That's not bad. We gotta change out the third cap to a high flow. It'll make it louder. Yeah. Sound decibels? 111. It has a nice stance when it's all the way on the ground, you know?
Yeah. I'm going to go home, I'm going to lower it for you.
Yeah, you're gonna lower it back up. See the stance, guys. See how low? And he raised it to an inch. You think?
Exactly.
Yeah. There you go. It still does have a nice stance to it, though. When he brought it to us yesterday, I said we couldn't lift it because it was not even an inch off the ground. It was literally scraping. So I told him, bring it back when you raise it up. So it's got adjustables on it. What you hear on the inside? Good looking Honda. Amazing, just a little bit of a body kit to lower it. Makes it look so clean.